Hey guys, so we're at Land Rover and
RoverLand, Tampa.
We're at RoverLand, Tampa, and we're picking up a right rear wheel hub for one of our friends of their Land Rover, and we got to see the insides, and he was nice enough to give us lug nuts as well for it. And the shop is pretty cool. They got headlights here. And they have like everything like nice and organized, and then they just, what you just saw there, a frame was a car that they just broke down like the other day. It used to be a full car, and now it's just like a little frame, and like it just looks, it kind of looks like, you know, when you start building a car piece like a Lego or whatever, you have the frame and the layout. That's what it looks like until it turns into an actual car, but they tore it down.
We got hubs, we got modules, door glass, headlights, wheels.
Anything and everything for Land Rover, Range Rovers, huh?
Yeah, I've been in business for like almost 30 years. Doing just these for, you know, dating back to the Range Rover Classics. And we got about 3 acres in the back.
Any Santanas? He's from Spain, so he wants a Santana.
Oh yeah, those are rare. We don't see a ton of those, but this is our dismantling area back here.
This was the frame that he got the wheel hub from, and he knew that we were looking for it because it's a hard part to find, so he was quoting it for us.
Pretty cool, huh?
That's the prize we're left with.
So that frame used to be one of these cars, and they have all these cars here.
Metal investigation saying, oh, you put copper.
Yeah, it's 6-month warranty on the hub if he has any issues.
That's awesome.
Yeah, you'll be good to go.
All right, man.
All right, man.
So do shipping like all over the country. Remove the brakes and the parking brakes clip.
You gotta get that.
It's 360 foot-pounds to remove the axle nut. It broke our breaker bar, so we had to buy an impact. And it took it off with ease.
That was it? Yes. That's it.
We cleaned and painted the replacement. There's a link for the field service manual in the description.
Now I gotta try to torque it. That's it. That's it. Clicks are done. Yeah, look how shiny this thing is. Good thing you showed up. You would have missed how beautiful. And you put the wheel speed sensor. Yeah, you gotta get that thing in, right?